let me start off by saying praise Allah, praise Allah. I'm always going to give him praise, tabada, through ups and downs and all around. Just if y'all been following my shorts and stuff, I put up a GoFundMe because of my nephew that made me an uncle 22 years ago, about to be 23. He was about to be 23 on July the 17th, no, the 16th. But he went into surgery. Well, he 3 weeks ago he found out that he had a tumor on his hip, and so it was the size of a pea 3 weeks ago, and then they scheduled it out 2 weeks, yet Thursday, to remove it. By the time they got in there, that tumor, they already tested it and it was cancerous, but that tumor swelled up the size of a watermelon down to his knee. It ran from his hip down to his knee. And so when they got into surgery, in the middle of the surgery, he started having complications with his breathing, and it went all downhill from there, man. It was so sad, man. They should have known. They should have known, because he was he was big. He was 500 plus, but they should have known, man. But hey, if y'all could, and if you feel like it, man, hey, Allah wa ta'ala.